Okay, let's start the vegan burger off. First, we need to make a Napa cabbage slaw. What you see here is a Napa cabbage. So I just made 2 cuts lengthwise, and now I'm just making some cuts across about a half an inch to a quarter of an inch thick. All right, next step. Okay, so we have our Napa cabbage all sliced and diced, ready to go. Now it's time to start adding the rest of the ingredients for our Napa cabbage slaw for this vegan burger. First, we have to add some blue cheese. What, did you guys seriously think I was actually going to make a real vegan burger? Oh no. The vegan stands, well, you'll get it at the end of the video. But let's just say the vegan is an acronym. So, about 4 ounces of blue cheese. And then we want to add about a 1/4 cup of sliced white onion. These measurements are not exact, by the way. I mean, this is not set in stone. If you're, like, sensitive to blue cheese, then feel free to take a little bit off. I'm sure if you don't like blue cheese, you could literally leave it out and it would still taste delicious. If you like onions, add a little bit more. This is cooking. This isn't fucking baking, which is an exact goddamn science. We're going to follow that up by 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And we're going to follow that up with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'm just going to eyeball this, but you want about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of honey. And eyeballing it again, you want about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Of course, salt and pepper this motherfucker. And the only other ingredient that we have to put in this is about a 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds, and then if I didn't already, I might have missed it, a minced clove of garlic, 1 minced clove of garlic. And then I'll show you how we'll mix all this together. Get a super special spoon and mix it all together. Yes, that is the highly technical thing. Just grab a spoon, give this a good mix, put a lid on it, or cover it with clear film or aluminum foil, and place in the fridge for at least an hour before we finish the burger. Okay, time to also make up a sauce for this here vegan burger. And you want to start off with roughly about 4 tablespoons of mayo and about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. This one I'm being a little bit more precise on. And you'll need about 2 teaspoons of pickle juice, about 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Of course, you want to grab some salt and pepper. And you'll also need about a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and about a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And then, mix this all around, make sure everything's all happy in the merry old land of Oz. And you want to store this in the fridge covered for, once again, that proverbial about an hour, give or take. So just stir this around and, again, pop it in the fridge. All right, let's get on constructing the burgers. Okay, the first meat that we're going to introduce to this vegan burger is about a pound of veal. Yes, I said veal. And yes, I'm aware it's a baby calf. But don't worry. I let the calf's mother know that I did this. And she's more than welcome to try to get revenge on me. And unfortunately, if veal wasn't so delicious, I wouldn't eat it. So in reality, it's the calf's fault. So about 1 pound of veal. And then the next meat we're going to add is 1 pound of elk. A couple of weeks ago, this mighty creature was king of the forest. Look at him now, where he should be, in a bowl for my enjoyment and food. So mix these around until they're well mixed. Okay, so you see the patties here. They're about a third pound to 6 ounce patties. And on top of the salt and pepper, you just want to give them a good dusting of whatever seasoning you like. I just got this. It's kind of cheating. It's a steak seasoning made in-house by my local grocery store. It's really, really good, but you can certainly look up 1,000 seasoning mixes online. And then you just want to fry these till they're 160 in the center. Okay, through the magic of cooking show editing, these here burgers are done. And you want to add 2 slices of Gouda cheese. And then just give them a couple of minutes to melt on up. Okay, so we got a nicely toasted bun. And add the vegan slaw to the bottom bun. Then add our patty. Some of that wonderful burger sauce we made. Just spoon it on the top. And finally, there's one more ingredient. And that is Applewood smoked bacon. Burgers assembled, and if you couldn't figure it out, the vegan in this vegan burger stands for veal, elk, Gouda cheese, Applewood smoked bacon, and a Napa cabbage slaw. So that's my vegan burger. Done.